useful? Well, let's say I have this fraction here, 4/8. It's a very nice fraction. I like it a lot, but it's not actually the most simplified form of the fraction. It's actually, we can divide 4 by 8 and see what decimal we get. 4 divided by 8 will give us 4s into 8 don't go. There's 4 left over. 8 into 40 go 5 times. So we know that that is equivalent to the decimal number 1/2. Is it the most simple form? No, it isn't, because both the top and the bottom number here can be divided by 4. 4 divided by 4 gives us 1. 8 divided by 4 gives us 2, giving us a half, which is what we would expect, because we know that 1/2 is exactly the same as the decimal number 0.5. So it's extremely important that if you get an answer in your book of 4/8 or 3/9 or 18/24, you're not allowed to leave it in that form, because all of these fractions can be simplified. This one can be divided top and bottom by 4 to give me 1/2. This one can be divided top and bottom by 3 to give me 1/3. This one can be divided top and bottom by 6 to give me 3/4. So I'm not allowed to leave a fraction in the form 18/24 when I can leave it in the form 3/4. You always have to try and simplify and simplify and simplify until you cannot simplify anymore. Let's say that we're not fantastically good at our 6 times tables, so that I can't remember that 18 and 24 need to be divided by 6. It doesn't matter. What I can see is that both of these are even numbers, so the first thing I can do is simplify them both by dividing by 2. That would give me 9/12. Now I see I've got 9 and 12 here, and I know that both of these can be simplified by dividing by 3, giving me 3/4. So even if you don't see directly that you can divide by 6, you can just divide by 2s and 3s or 5s, and over again, you're going to get exactly the same answer. So simplifying fractions is super important. You're not allowed to leave them in the terms 18/24. Every fraction that can be simplified must be simplified for your final answer. Okay? That is reducing fractions.